Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to introduce you to a truly unique and fascinating dog breed, the Sholo Dog, also known as the Xoloitzcuintli. In this ultimate guide, we'll dive into the history, characteristics, and interesting facts about this ancient canine companion. So, buckle up and get ready to embark on a journey to discover the amazing world of Sholo Dogs. Number 1. A Storied History. The Xoloitzcuintli, pronounced show-low-eats-queen-tlee, is one of the oldest dog breeds, with a history dating back over 3,500 years. These dogs were revered by the Aztecs and other Mesoamerican civilizations, often featured in ancient art, pottery, and even as burial companions. Number 2. Distinct appearance. Sholo dogs are known for their unique appearance, characterized by their hairless or coated varieties, almond-shaped eyes, large, bat-like ears, and elegant, slender bodies. They come in 3 sizes: toy, miniature, and standard. Number 3. Friendly temperament. Despite their somewhat intimidating appearance, Sholo dogs are known for their warm, affectionate, and loyal nature. They make excellent companions and are particularly good with children and other pets when socialized early. Number 4. High intelligence and trainability. The Xoloitzcuintli is an intelligent and highly trainable breed. They excel in various dog sports and activities, such as agility, obedience, and even therapy work. Early training and socialization are crucial for a well-rounded Sholo dog. Number 5. Minimal grooming. One of the most appealing aspects of the Sholo dog is its minimal grooming requirements. The hairless variety only requires occasional bathing, while the coated variety needs regular brushing to prevent matting. Number 6. Special skin care. The hairless Sholo's skin requires extra care to prevent sunburn and skin irritation. Regular moisturizing and sunscreen application are essential to maintain healthy skin. Number 7. Health considerations. Sholo dogs are generally healthy, but they can be prone to certain issues, such as dental problems, hip dysplasia, and patellar luxation. Regular vet checkups and a healthy diet can help prevent these issues. Number 8. Exercise needs. Xoloitzcuintlis are an active breed that requires daily physical and mental stimulation. A combination of walks, playtime, and training sessions will keep your Sholo happy and well-behaved. Number 9. Ideal living environment. Sholo dogs can adapt to various living situations, from apartments to large homes with yards. However, due to their sensitivity to cold, they require a warm environment and may need extra protection during winter months. Number 10. A rare and cherished breed. The Xoloitzcuintli is still considered a rare breed, which adds to its mystique and appeal. As a Sholo owner, you'll join a unique community of enthusiasts who cherish and preserve this ancient breed. And that concludes our ultimate guide to the captivating Sholo dog, or Xoloitzcuintli. We hope you've enjoyed learning about this extraordinary breed and that it sparked your interest in these fascinating canine companions. If you're considering adding a Sholo dog to your family or just want to learn more, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, happy tales!